Adekunle Gold. AG baby. Tio Tequila is the name of the 3-pack? Like, I'm still confused what's happening, man. I thought this man was rolling out like a very beefed up album, a full-length project with Tio Tequila. But it might just be part of the rollouts, maybe. Because he has a smash hit record this year already, Party No Dey Stop with Zinoliski. And I've gone to hear, I think I heard the other one, but I'm also had a stronger impression of Omo Eko. And I like that particular song a whole lot. I've heard that song before. I love that record. I'm so glad it's out now. But Do You Mind? I don't really remember hearing it. But we check that one first and then we'll get to Omo Eko. I'm still hoping to get a full-length album from Adekunle Gold because, yeah, man, huge fan of Adekunle Gold, obviously. And yeah, I'm definitely excited to hear what he has to offer this year because he's really coming with full force. And anyway, let's share, man. Let's share Do You Mind? And then we'll get to Omo Eko. Let's go. Another KLP moment.
Do you mind? Do you mind? Take the backseat of my foreign. Do you mind? 17, 18, 19, baby. Or a baby, my feet joke by me. Oh. You go make me do something crazy.
Yo, I'm here for this smooth, jazzy, like kind of atmosphere that like that Adekunle Gold has been layering his vocals now, but all still leaning towards a party or a dance kind of headspace. You know what I mean?
Make you dance my conto.
Hey.
You wanna write that coco inside my choco. I just wanna feel some passion. Harmonize. Harmonize. Love and affection make me come alive.
Bro, that bass is nasty.
Alive. Girl, I want to hear your body talk. We no wasting no time, TikTok. I know you're here for sure.
Hey. Come on.
My choco.
Bro, I love how sexy this feels. Like it's literally like Listen, I love the guitars here. I love how playful KLP was on this one. Like it just has that very, very dark feel to it, but it's still sensual. It's still strong, and it feels, yeah, man, it feels very raunchy atmosphere, but like it's still calling for like a slow wine type of moment on the dance floor. And that was cool, man. That was cool. I loved how playful he obviously gets with his vocal mixes as well. Like this has always been Adekunle Gold in a lot of ways. That Afro R&B or dance/dancehall flair to him is always heavy in moments like this. And I just love the pace of it. I just love what it was going for. And that run of go, like I'm like I could hear Rema destroy this particular record, and it just feels like that, man. It just feels like that kind of yeah, man. This was good. This was a good record. And that 1718 Pocket 2 was fun. Yeah, I like what I'm hearing, man. I like what I'm hearing. I've definitely never heard this one. I don't think I have. Yeah, I don't think I have, man. And I'm excited to hear new music from Adekunle Gold anytime. The next one, yeah, man. We sabi that one die. We sabi that one die, man. Yeah, people are saying, okay, I was saying the song is such an orgasm. I feel that. I will be running into a game after the live for sure. That was definitely a record. Do You Mind? Now, like, I've heard this song already, so I already have like a bias towards this one. I know a lot of you are like probably going off which one is better, Do You Mind or Omo Eko? I think Omo Eko is fantastic, bro. I think it's a brilliant song. But anyway, let's vibe to it. Let's hear it. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Bro. Party never starts
till I enter the place, you know, say action pop.
Yeah, girl.
I come with the vibe, man, I don't mean to steal the show.
Steez on the song.
Make you sit down the low. You better shake your body. Yeah. Love my
Adekunle. Ah, bro.
You know I don't want stress.
No.
Sure, you know I got this.
Do you know what's the crazy thing about this song? Is that it teases you. It teases you constantly for a massive drop. But that drop never comes. Like, there's a massive, like, beat pickup that you're expecting to just carry the song away. It doesn't really come. It's not going to come. But that was my only thing about the song. I'm like, it's teasing me constantly, and I'm not getting there. I'm not getting to the other end of it. But, bro, I think it works fantastically how minimalist it is. Like, it's just keeping on a very subtle level and playing there. And I think it works very well for this song, man.
Oh, yeah, so much make a
Hey.
So you know I got the stamina. Motaleno, no mind you can spend my money. Pounds on my dollar, shake your body. You know I don't want stress.
Party never starts. Hey.
Party never start till I enter the place. You know, say I shop up. Yo.
Hey.
I come with the vibe, man. I don't mean to steal the shit.
Ah,
You better shake your body.
Oh my God. Ah, yeah, bro. I know I'm stressed in this life, man. Bro. It's this level that I'm like, yeah, this is it. Ah, bro, the church organs in the intro. Anyway. Lama cola, cha. Anyway. Bro, this, yeah, man. On my core is definitely that song. Yeah, man. Like he has 2 strong records here. Like, not going to lie, Do You Mind is another hidden record, like for sure. But I'm leaning towards On My Core, man. It's just a unique feel. It's just the fact that it doesn't go all the way. It doesn't go with the drum rolls that you're expecting, and that big drum pickup is you don't get it, but like you're able to work with all you have there, and it just keeps you on a nice smooth plane, and you're cruising through the song, man. Bro, this song is just there, bro. Anyway, man, let's see how you guys are 86%, man. You guys are 86%. That was dope. That was Adekunle Gold with a 3-pack. Hopefully he builds upon this and has a full-length album, because I didn't know we were not getting a full-length album. Anyway, man, let's see what you guys are saying in the next tracks that we're looking at. Yeah, that was On My Core and Do You Mind.